Welcome! In front of me I have MICHAEL Kors Access Grayson, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Wear OS application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the device page for your Grayson watch, as you can see. And if you don't have the specific or required permission for the notifications to work, basically required permission allowed for the notifications to work, you may see this message right here. And if you see this message, you will need to allow the permission. And to do it, tap on Turn on Watch Notifications, then tap on Allow. And once you allow it, the message should disappear, so we can reopen the app. So let's close it and open it again. And now, as you can see, the message is gone. So once you don't see this message anymore, you can scroll down, tap on Notifications, and here you can tap on Change Watch Notifications. And right here, you can basically enable and disable notifications for the specific apps on your phone. And how it works is basically, if you enable notifications for a specific app, for example, App Gallery, and you receive the notification from the App Gallery on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, right here, you will see the notification only on your phone. It won't be forwarded to your watch. So enable and disable the notifications for the apps you like. And once you're done, you can close the app, the Wear OS app, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our watch, rather on our phone and on our watch. And if you miss the notifications on your watch, you can always open the notification panel by swiping up or down on the, I believe it's up on the home screen. Yeah, like this. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.